whatever you Jennifer's give you whatever you want. From it when I give that back, wait, give it right back, baby, give it right back. This look, baby, can I sit right back on it? Give it right back, baby, do you like that? I could do many things, yeah. I could potty cater to you. I might be looking like a waiter to you. And all them niggas I was talking to, I keep them off the radar for you. Cause they do nothing that they say they gon' do. And I be feeling like a dog the way I'm places sitting waiting for you. Just contemplating all the naughty shit I'm waiting to do. And I can lay that out on the table for you. I wanna fuck just like we can straight from the zoo. And they don't make them like him anymore. Feel bad for these niggas, competition's very strong. I was the longest mission for some missionary. We could make a mess into me, lick it off the floor. Shit. I feel like you deserve me. I'm feeling Jennifer's line. Give you whatever you want. No need to persuade. Promise you do enough, so I'm feeling Jennifer's line. Give you whatever